Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Thomas from MGM Classic Cars. Today I have the honor of showing you this original 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Let's get started. This Monte Carlo has the factory build sheet, which I took a photo of in my details, you can see that. And it has a 402 big block LS3 motor in it, which is numbers matching to the vehicle. This is pretty much a 95% original car. As you can see, a couple of the differences with the torque thrust wheels. The original color to the car, code 78, called Rosewood Poly. And it's a beautiful, beautiful finish. I mean, you can see the reflection here. Okay, just a gorgeous car. Numbers matching, which we'll go over. Beautiful paint, nice original chrome front and rear bumpers, excellent grille. This was the only year for the ornament on the Monte Carlo 71. Torque thrust wheels, BF Goodrich tires. Beautiful paint, excellent vinyl top. No bubbling underneath anywhere on the car. Beautiful stance, nice emblems, door handles. So back here, this was where the Chevrolet dealership put their emblem on the car, and it was removed, but we're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna fill that in. And we're gonna repaint that part if you desire. If not, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I could find the factory emblem probably on eBay from where this car came from, which says in the build sheet, and get that on there. Hard to find, but maybe. Okay. Look at all the trim. Along with this gorgeous vinyl top. Nice door handles, like I said. Driver's side mirror. Look at the reflection. Front power disc brakes from the factory. American Racing torque thrust wheels. That was just a little dirt there. I'll take this for a test drive. Look at that reflection, guys. It's not going to be cheap because the big block 402 turbo 400 12 bolts. This is a keeper. Whoever buys this is going to love it. I want to show you guys and gals the original interior. Look at these door panels from 1971. Excellent. Look at the door lips. Excellent. This car's out of Georgia, not Illinois. This is why. Look at the cluster, how perfect it is. It's showing a little bit over 70,000 original miles. Beautiful dash. Original FM, AM radio. There's your controllers. Even the lighter works. Excellent center console. This here is to hold seat belts. Okay. Beautiful center console. Air conditioning, heat, which we're going to take this for a test drive in a little while. Door panel on the driver's side, passenger side, I mean. Shoulder belts, package tray, excellent headliner with the dome light working. Nice rear view mirror, beautiful perforated headliner. That's how it came. Very impressive. Look at the door jambs, how nice they are. Got your spare tire, your jack there underneath. Original quarter factory GM stampings on the passenger side. Excellent trunk lid underneath, jams. I spotted the build sheet. Yep, I did take a picture of it. There we are, 402. I know it says 400, but it's considered a 402, also a 396. It's a 300 horse. This is an LS3, numbers matching. In 1971, they put the compression ratio down to 8.5 to 1, obviously to reduce horsepower for emissions in 1971. There's your brake booster, power front disc brakes, power steering, cold air conditioning, excellent engine compartments, big fan shroud, no overheating issues, reliable battery, newer alternator, blows cold. Core support is excellent, appears to be all original to the car. So in these LS3s in 71, they added the hydraulic lifters, a nodular iron crankshaft. It's a 2-bolt main, putting out 300 horse, obviously to reduce emissions, okay? This car was considered the personal luxury coupe in 1971. Beautiful color. Drives great, you'll see. Engine compartment's clean. It's backed up with the turbo 400 like I mentioned earlier. Beautiful car, guys. Very reliable. Love the stance. Love the color. This color grows on you. We'll go for a little test drive. All right, so the door buzzer does work. You hear it, but you don't hear it. It's really low, but it does work. Sounds really nice. Dual exhaust. I'll walk over to the engine compartment now. No weird noises, no nothing. It's perfect. Love this thing. I'm born in 71, so I'm attached to this car. I put about 100 miles on it since we've got it, and probably put on a little bit more. Check out the exhaust, how it sounds. You heard it a little bit, but it's idling now. All right, let's go for a test drive. All right, back in the Monte Carlo. What a nice piece of history. Let me roll up the back quarter window. I left it open. Give me 1 second here, and we'll continue our test drive. All right, gonna go for a nice little cruise. So inside the cargo area here, as you can see, guys, the car runs excellent. I am honestly hands off the steering wheel. This car goes straight down the road. Okay, fuel gauge operates, speedometer works, clock doesn't. You could have the original clock rebuild, which I would do instead of replacing. I would rebuild it. Factory AM/FM radio works, which I'll turn on in a little bit. Heat, air conditioning functions, defrost functions, even the lighter works. The wipers, there you go, they're functioning. The horn functions. The door buzzer, like I said, all the lights, exterior lights, driver's side, passenger side window rolls great. The glass all around the car is in really good condition. No fading. I mean, it looks really good. Nice sun visors, your original perforated headliner I mentioned. Excellent original steering wheel. The dash, there's no cracks in it. The center console is beautiful. The staple shifter is nice and tight in the car like it should be. A lot of them are loose. This isn't. Nice clean glove box. Shifts excellent through the turbo 400. 12-bolt rear end. Guys, this is everything you want. I know it's not an SS. Excuse me, but you're not paying super sport prices either here. Really, really, really sharp. I'm born in 71, like I mentioned earlier, so I'm close to this car here. I'm going to put on some miles and enjoy it while I have it. It's not cheap, but it's well worth the investment. All my turn signals function. Down kick is good, works excellent. It's got plenty of power. Brakes work great. Front power brakes, power disc brakes in the front. Okay. Manual brakes in the back, but this thing stops excellent going down the road. You won't need to. That's how it came from the factory, and it works great. Here's the radio. Great tunes. The temperament on this car, it idles really, really nice. Man, it's just all there, man. It's so comfortable to drive in these factory plush seats. I know the foam is most likely have been redone in the car because it feels really good. Like I mentioned, the car showing a little bit over 70,000 miles on the odometer. Some numbers matching 402, 400, 12 volts. This thing steers really responsive, really nice. You can drive this car with one finger. Cruising 60 miles an hour right now, and I'm going to slow down a little bit, but straight down the road. No rattling inside the car, no squeaks to be known of. I mean, this is the one, guys. If you're looking for a first generation Monte Carlo, this is it. So if you guys need delivery, we do ship worldwide. I have people in the ports. I have people in the ports on the East Coast and the West Coast. If you're local, come by, come see it, go for a test drive, wear a mask, COVID-19. Go for a nice test drive. I know the first person to test drive this is going to write the check. That's how nice it is. I look for classic cars every day, 8 hours a day, 6 days a week. Driven a lot of cars, and this is it. This is the one. That's why I do a long video, hundreds of photos. Because if you're in California or in Jersey or down in Florida or Arizona, buy the car. 100% feedback, buy with confidence. I'm 100% transparent with everything. All my cars go through my mechanic if I feel it needs to. But in this one, everything works. The horn, the wipers, the gauges. I mean, it's all there. It is all there. So again, if you are domestic, send me, and I'll leave my phone number at the end of the video. Send me a text or a call. Get with your zip code. I'll get you a price. All my deliveries are insured for the purchase price of any of my vehicles, delivered to your doorstep. Once you sign my bill of lading from the trucker, transportation company, should I say, you are responsible. So once you send me a deposit, okay, get insurance. Okay, get insurance for the vehicle, because you will be responsible for it once I deliver it to your doorstep. If any of you guys or gals need financing, I got great rates. Okay, I got rates up to 84 months. Okay, my 12 to 24 month rates are 3.49% with excellent credit. Okay, if you have any blemishes on your credit, you're not going to get approved with no money down. You will need about 10 to 20% down. And I also have banks for that as well. but you got to still have good credit. You guys know who you are, okay? If you think you have a credit score of under 620, I don't think I'm going to get you financed. So, or go to your local credit union and see what they say. Usually they're a little bit more lenient with credit scores. So I can handle that as well if you guys need it. If not, you're ready to buy, click the button, buy it now. Okay, if this car will be on eBay along with my other cars. You can click it, 100% feedback, and we'll finish up the deal that way. Okay, so you guys seen my photos, all of them, interior, exterior, engine, underneath, my trunk. You did the video with me, you're going on a test drive. I didn't walk around. 100% transparent. Let's go, treat yourself. Let's go and get yourself a nice car. I can get this baby in your garage pretty quick. Okay, if you're looking for the first generation Monte Carlo, I'm telling you again, treat yourself. This is it, guys. This is it. Okay, my name's Thomas. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. Call me, text me. Call me anytime. I return. Leave a voicemail if I don't pick up. I return all my calls. Okay? If you guys want to see other classics, go to mgmclassiccars.com. There are some other classic cars to look at. I'll be more than happy to share any of that information with you. My descriptions are pretty thorough. My videos are pretty thorough. I think I am the only one that does, 15 plus minute videos. Okay, I do that for your buying experience, because I know you're not here. So again, thank you for joining me. My name's Thomas. My number is 847-848-1850.